Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency for getting around. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and you have a rugged cargo floor here, and underneath that you have your full-size spare in there with some compartments around for extra storage, 12-volt power outlet right here, some lasso tie downs here, and then you have your cargo lights, which you can kind of articulate to point where you want them to. Looking into the back, you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as a USB and USB-C down there, zippered pouches on the backs of the seats, and molly rigging here to hook your equipment onto. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you have your trip information, your My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, navigation controls, radio controls, and phone controls, and then information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology and I believe adaptive steering, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and then your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down from that, you have your media controls as well as your auto start stop shut off, your hazards, and then you have a little cubby here. Moving further down, you have your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. You have this cubby area here with a 12-volt USB and USB-C so you can plug something into power or charge, as well as having a wireless charging pad, so if your phone is compatible, throw it on there and it will begin to charge. Looking at your main shifter now, which is on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and then your drive or your GOAT mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious with another USB and USB-C inside. And then last but not least, you do also have a power moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.